Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upscale your images for free. To do that, first you should go to upscale.org and then download the Upscale program. Since this is the Windows machine, I'm going to download the Windows version. Now the download is complete, let's open the downloads and then double click on the downloaded Upscale executable file. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to this device? Click on yes and then click on the install button. Wait for it to complete installation. Now click on the finish button. This will bring up the Upscale program. As you can see, it's very easy to use. First click on the select image button and then click on the image you want to upscale and then click on open. Then click on the button under select upscaling type. It's a drop down menu and there are 5 options. All you need to know about these options are the first 4 general photo options are for upscaling photos and the last one, digital art, is for upscaling digital art images. Since the image I selected is a photo, I'm going to select the first general photo option. As you can see, there is also an option called double upscale here. If you enable this, you can get a 16x upscale. But you have to keep in mind that this is an experimental feature and may not always work properly, especially with the higher resolution images. I'm going to enable this feature. And the last step is setting an output folder. If you want to set an output folder, click on the Set Output Folder button and click on the folder where you want the upscaled images to be saved and then click on the Select Folder button. Now all you have to do is click on the Upscale button and wait for the process to complete. That's it, you can clearly see a great difference between the original image and the upscaled one here. Now let's do one with digital art. Just like I did before, I'm going to select the image and then set the upscaling type to digital art and then enable double upscale and then click on the Upscale button. Let's wait for a few seconds. That's it.